How's it going, everybody? John here with my 2023 Toyota Tundra. So over the course of owning my Tundra, I've made some interior upgrades that not only aesthetically are pleasing, but function really well. Like the Meso Customs LED lights in the back, on the doors, and in the overhead. The red lights are soft on the eyes and really help illuminate the cabin. The Meso Custom lights are awesome. The next functional upgrade that we did is the bullet point mount with the RAM mounts. Super functional when it comes to holding my phone and my Yasu radio mount. Now for the next functional cabin upgrade, it's not necessarily in the cabin, but what it provides for the cabin is the Starlink dish. Having the communication and access to maps anywhere is super vital. Moving on to the next functional item that we have inside the truck is the Sod Controller. It gets mounted in the OEM sunglass holder slot. It also provides you really easy access to control all your awesome Baja design lights while keeping your eyes on the road, especially when traveling in the backcountry or in downtown LA at night. You never know when something might jump out in front of you. I know we touched on the Starlink dish and the RAM mount, but having your phone mounted here is just so functional, especially when you have Onyx Maps loaded, easily be able to navigate the map while driving. And the same thing goes for my radio. Being able to control my radio, make sure I'm on the right setting or having to change channels while driving, and still keeping one hand on the wheel and safely looking down the road, I call this a win for functionality, guys. Moving on to the next cabin upgrade that we did was the OEM Safe. It's always nice just having a place to store your items, any personal belongings, protection, anything you might have that maybe you go to the store, can't bring it in the store with you, you just lock it in the safe. Really easy, convenient. It's big enough to hold the full size easily. And yes, the Red Bull is also for function, my own function. Moving on to some of the more aesthetically pleasing upgrades, we wrapped this whole center console right here in satin black. The covers that you see on Amazon, I don't know, they just look super tacky to me. Wrapping it was definitely the way to go. You're able to wrap all the way around this edge and it just looks so much cleaner. It's really not that hard to take apart. Don't buy the covers, just wrap it. It looks way better. Moving on, we got the Mace Manufacturing. So I'm sure you guys seen these online, and I'm sure you've also been seeing all the threads where everyone's breaking their OEM volume knob. Now mine did not break, but I just liked how nice it looked and how it felt. It's just, I don't know, just one of those touch points that you use all the time, and it just aesthetically looks so good. They also now have the drive knob, which the fake screws and the bulkiness of it, I don't know, just looks super tacky to me. Can't wait to put this on. It looks so much cleaner. Let's go ahead to sliding this on. Now the drive control knob is just pressed in, so I think we're going to use some Meguiar's Quick Detailer as some lube on here. The machining on this is extremely nice, by the way. I don't know if you could see all the texture on the edges. Man, so nice. Let's go ahead and spray some lube on here and press it in. We got a light mist of detail spray in there. Now let's go ahead and line it up with where you want it. Well, actually, you know what? The drive control knob spins, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead, slide it in. Firmly press down. Oh man, it feels so good. And I guess you could set the direction that you want with the car off. It's not going to make a difference. The Mace Manufacturing products are spot on, and aesthetically they look so good. The touch points on them, the whole thing, it just really, I don't know, between the Mace Manufacturing volume control knob, the drive knob, and just wrapping this whole centerpiece just really cleans it up. Well, we also have an extra volume control knob. What should we do with this, guys? Comment Mace in the comment section down below. I'll enter you guys in the raffle, and we'll be giving away this volume control knob for the 2022 plus Toyota Tundras. I hope you've all enjoyed the mods I've done on my 3rd Gen Tundra. If you got any comments, questions, concern, leave them in the comment section down below. And again, comment Mace in the comment section, and I will be raffling off the volume control knob. Don't want to miss out because they are not a cheap item and they look so good.